Today I'm going to show you an essential tool for all sport climbers. It's called Wharton's Wimpy stick, invented by Josh Wharton, local legend and alpinist. This tool is created to clip up and help you work sections on a hard sport climb, so you save skin, you find beta, and do all this on top rope and ultimately help you send faster. We're going to do a demo on how to use it, and then I'm going to show you how to build your own for the next time you're at the crag. So this consists of two parts. One is this flagpole telescope. It's expandable. I just put a carabiner on it and then put it on my harness. And the other has this cool Kong panic carabiner. And you can see how this works. You've got the open gate just like this, and then you've got just a normal carabiner on the other end. So it's kind of like a quick draw in some ways. So this can also just go on your harness. And when you would use this is when you're sport climbing and you can't get to the next bolt, so you need to keep going. So I've got a quick draw here, and then my rope's here. I've fallen a bunch, I'm tired, I'm gonna go indirect. So I just clip a carabiner onto my belay loop here, and I can go in here. Maybe I wanna go a little higher, so I go to the one closer to the wall. And so at this point, I wanna clip this next hanger up here. So I need to assemble this guy. So first thing I like to do is find where to put the telescope. There's only one end where you put the telescope. I'll show you that later. But essentially, you clip the rope into here, and then you're gonna expand the telescope. This one's about 5 feet. Maybe they make slightly longer ones. But this goes into the sleeve here. Sometimes that does that. And then we're gonna ask for slack from our belayer. Slack, so then when I pull this up, gotta be careful, pulling slack up. And I'm going up to this next hanger up here. When I clip into it and pull, the cool thing about this Kong carabiner is that the gate shuts. So at this point, I've created a nice top rope for me to work the next section. So here's the tools you need for the job. You need a dog bone, you need 2 carabiners, with one of them being the Kong panic carabiner. You need duct tape, you need this telescoping flagpole. This is 63 inches. They might have different lengths. I just duct tape a carabiner onto it. That's done right there. You need plastic water bottle, and then something to cut the water bottle. So this is key. In step 1, you're going to, after assembling the quick draw, just like this, I put the keepers on each end of the dog bone to make it nice and snug. So from there, you're gonna cut plastic to be double the width and a little bit less than the length. So if you measure it, you can just go right about here, open this up, and then cut down starting here. Okay, now that you've got your piece of plastic, this is gonna go right here, and this is gonna help this slide up into the quick draw. So in order to start this, I'm just gonna grab 2 pieces of duct tape just to get it started. And then I'm gonna put these on here, like so. And I've gotta fold it. You wanna fold it so it's like that, just to create, you're creating the shape right now. This is like an art project. All right, the next piece, stuck to the table. Just gonna get it started, create the shape. And if you mess up, it's okay, you just start over. Got lots of duct tape. The next piece is also gonna be essential. We're gonna have this one go into here. And this is so that the telescope doesn't go through the entire device. So just like that, we can put this in here in order to tape the rest of it. So I'm good to go. I'm just gonna get a bunch of duct tape at this point, really quickly. About that much will do. And then I'm just gonna tape the rest of it. All right, and you can always add more tape if it seems flimsy, but this is gonna go in and out, and this is all gonna work, just like that. Done. Wharton's Wimpy stick.